Hello, my name is David. Welcome back to my channel, where I share all things finance, business growth, and success. Today, I'm sharing real, effortless ways to make extra cash while chilling at home, even if you're just watching TV. These aren't scams or get-rich-quick promises. These are legit side income ideas that require minimal effort but can actually put money in your pocket. All the links and tools I mention are in the description below. So check those out after you watch. And if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's jump in. First up, paid survey platforms. Sites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and YouGov pay you to share your opinion. It's a low effort, and you can literally do it while binge watching your favorite shows. You won't get rich, but stacking a few surveys a day can add up to a couple $100 per month, just for clicking around. Check the description. I've listed the top legit platforms with solid reviews. Method number 2, cashback apps. Apps like Rakuten, Dosh, and Upside literally give you money back on things you're already buying. Groceries, gas, takeout, and online shopping. Link your card once and the app does the rest. No effort needed. You can earn cash while you're watching Netflix and placing an Instacart order. Easy. My favorite ones are linked below, plus referral bonuses you can claim right now. Now this one's a little creative, but the payoff is awesome. Sell digital products like templates, planners, or printables. You can design them using free tools like Canva, upload them to sites like Etsy or Gumroad, and they sell while you sleep, or while you're watching your favorite series. Set it up once and let it earn for you passively. If you've got 1 to 2 lazy weekends, you can build a whole mini income stream. Do you need some ideas? I've got some free templates linked in the description to get you started. Method number 4. Rent out stuff you're not using. Your car, your spare room, your camera gear. Someone wants to use it. Platforms like Turo, Neighbor, and Fat Llama let you rent out your stuff and earn while you chill. You don't have to do anything except respond to requests, and sometimes not even that if it's automated. This is one of the most underrated income streams, especially if you want truly passive money. Number 5, getting paid to watch videos. Yes, it's true. You can get paid to watch videos. Platforms such as Chili, Inbox Dollars, or Hideout TV pay you to watch ads, short clips, and trailers. Some people run it in the background while they work or relax, and the points add up fast. If you're going to scroll or binge anyway, why not make a few bucks while you're at it? Again, check the links in the description for the best ones with sign-up bonuses. Making money doesn't always mean grinding for hours. These methods may not replace your full-time income, but they're effortless, flexible, and perfect for building a little financial cushion while relaxing. If you're looking to add a few $100 a month to your bank account with almost no extra work, give 1 or 2 of these a try. All the links and tools I mentioned are right down in the description, some with bonuses just for signing up. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I post weekly videos to help you build real income streams online. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments, which one will you try first?